What are some of the other kind of non-typical benefit things that we have that are kind of fringe benefits that are still really awesome for the team?
Yeah, to sweeten the pot, I mean, you get to take your trucks home, which is huge.
Yeah.
On-call bonuses, especially if you're used to being a technician in this industry, that helps for sure. On top of that, when it comes to on-call, to have Fridays off voluntarily after your on-call rotation.
Let's unpack that a little bit. So the Friday off after your on-call rotation, so you work all week, Friday you go on call, right? You're on call Friday night, Saturday, Sunday, and you work the next week, but then that Friday, you're off that day. You get to take that day off. And we also do that for our office staff. Our office staff get to rotate one Friday a month where they're off too, take a break and relax a little bit.
Work-life balance.
Yeah, totally.